Welcome to the EPO training videos. Part 5, 1, Histogram. Click on the histogram icon, under the Discovery menu. A pop-up window will be opened. As there is an already applied filter, population here is the selected units. You can select all, or use the selected units. Reminding that, the population we use here as the selected units, is the units included for execution at the grid, which are the units left out after applying the filters. Let's continue with the variable selection. When we opened the histogram, there was already a variable selected, which was total assets. Let's change the variable and see how the histogram changes. Now we have selected net income. At the x-axis, we see the value range of the selected variable. At the y-axis, the count of the units are given. Also, at the bottom left corner, basic statistics are given for the selected units and variables. For this example, we can clearly see that, more than 800 units, the vast majority of the selected units have net income between $8.3 billion and $465.8 million. Let's select operating margin. You can see how the distribution of the units among the histogram has changed. Now, let's select an attribute, state for example. The legend appears, showing different colors for different states, which is reflected on the histogram. You can click again on the attribute, to unselect it. Let's select sector this time. Or, SP500. Changing the bin count, you can adjust how many bars to be shown at the histogram. You can notice that, the values at the x-axis changes, as the bin count changes. As you also had noticed, there is another visualization of the histogram at the top of the window. This dot graph is synchronized with the histogram, based on the values and count of the units. By changing its range, you can focus on a certain part of the population, and see the reflection at the histogram. By clicking on the Show Hide Labels, you can see the count and percentage of each box, for the selected range. You can also show Hide Series, by checking or unchecking the respective check boxes at the legend. Thanks for watching.